let's see what else is in here. Some virtual reality. Let's just walk right on out. We're just exploring Siam Square anyway, so. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're gonna walk down, there's a train straight ahead. So we're basically gonna walk down one of these streets right here. And this is in the Siam Square area. And there's quite a bit of shops around, places to explore. And we're gonna look for, well, we're just gonna walk around and take a look. Yeah, this is Siam. So we'll walk across this street here. And it looks like we could walk right into this Lido connection, or we could walk down one of the side streets. But I think this Lido connection looks pretty interesting. So we're gonna follow it and see. Nice shops. A little bit designer oriented. You know, I've come in here lots of different times and I always get a little bit lost. I'm never quite sure. I could follow this one, but I kind of want to go inside here and see some artwork that I like. Oh, okay. So let's see. Duck Galbi, Korean restaurant. It's like movie theater chairs. Check out that. They got movie theater chairs. Wow. And a nice Korean duck galbi is like this really. Oh, it's a really cool restaurant too. Duck galbi is like spicy Korean chicken mixed with like a rice cake. It's really spicy. Oh. Beautiful artwork in here. More beautiful artwork there. More over here. Ah. The Lido Cafe. I like this space. Virtual reality. More. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Some virtual reality. Let's just walk right on out. We're just exploring Siam Square anyway, so. Tell you what though, that could have been one video right there. New York. It's a lot of beautiful artwork in this area. Mango Tango. Stay chubby. Well, I guess we'll go back in. I think this is called the Lido Center. So maybe we'll just focus it on that one. Let's see what else we can see here. This is the Duck Galbi restaurant. That's what some of the foods look like. Looks like they got like tons of different varieties too. Okay, what's this one? Thailand chicken, Chinese, fried chicken, the chicken shack. Okay, so this is Lido Cafe, I believe. Okay. Well, I think maybe we'll let's walk, see what else we didn't see yet. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just kind of people watching more than anything. And virtual reality too. I haven't seen DVDs in a long time. Okay, I guess there's a computer right there.